How to check watch history on X. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your watch history on X, formerly Twitter, since there isn't an official watch history button like YouTube. But I'll walk you through the two best ways to find it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open up your X app. Now, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the top left corner. If you've interacted with a video, like replying, retweeting, or hitting the like button, it will show up right here on your profile. That acts as your built-in watch history, since anything you engage with stays saved. But what if you didn't like or reply to a video? No worries, here's method 2. Go back to your profile and select Settings and Support, then tap on Settings and Privacy. From there, head into your account, and you'll see an option that says, Download an archive of your data. Select that, log into your account, and request the archive. Twitter will prepare a downloadable zip file for you, which contains all of your account activity, including your watch history. It might take some time before the file is ready, but once you download it, you'll be able to see everything in detail, and that's it. 2 easy ways to check your watch history on X. If this was helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.